watch another amazing wig video that I have for you. Again, thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, and to share knowledge with all of you. So, let's get inspired by this amazing wig from divatress.com. All the information is down below, including coupon codes. Go get those coupons, save some money, and be fabulous. So let's get going on this wig. So this is actually a first for me for this brand. Really excited to try it. It is by Sensational. So I had seen, actually I have it in this exact color. I saw this girl, I'm like, this looks really simply amazing. And I'm not gonna lie, it's the Dream Muse series. How can I not want to try it? So this wig right here is in the style of Rachel, and it is a 3XL Swiss lace parting area, which kind of reminds me of the 13x4, but it has a totally different lace section, so it's very interesting. With that, it is a silk-based lace frontal. So it's a 100% human hair and hybrid mix. So with that, you know, it just feels more natural. It just goes with the flow. It's really great. So I'm really excited. Again, like I mentioned, this color, which I have, is the T1B/350. And what's really, I mean, this color, I mean, just look at the back. She looks amazing in this color, and I was really drawn to it because it is like a supernatural copper red. I mean, look at that. Wow, and she is very long, and I don't know if you can see, here's some what are these things called? Some like texture, or just some layers. Layers is the word that I'm looking for. So it is actually a very full wig, and it kind of V's in the back slightly. I noticed that with a lot of wigs. So let's just talk about what the inside looked like. So I mentioned that this has a different lace parting, like this 3XL reminds me of the 13x4s, but it's more of a solid lace. I don't know if you can see that up here, but it is nice that you can actually part it every way. So it does have the 2 clips on the side, and then the 1 clip in the back for you. And this does say that this is a larger head friendly, and it says, honestly, it says flexible fit for various head shapes and sizes. So yeah, it looks like it's gonna be a real winner. So let's give it a try. So I first tried it on like literally maybe a month ago, and I haven't put it on since, so I kind of don't remember how it went. So let's just put it on. So I do have my wig cap right here in nude. I did get it from Amazon.com. I will leave the link below. And then also, like, you don't have to wear a wig cap. You don't really have to do anything. Life is all about free will, so do what you want. But I bought the 10-pack. It was like $6, literally an amazing thing to buy 6. Just buy all 10 of them because you're gonna need it. Okay, so, okay, here we go. And I have already fastened it to the correct fastening for my head, so let's just put it on. Okay. Whoa. And honestly, it's super light. It feels, honestly, it feels really great. Super light and silky, this wig right here. So let's see here. Of course, I am not gonna be totally perfect with the parting because I'm gonna really try to flip it around. So let's just see what this looks like down the center. How does that look? So I'm not really a down the center kind of girl, but this, you know, this is really super soft. I really can't believe how soft this is. But I also feel like it's very minimal shedding with this wig right here. So it really feels great. It feels great. Does not feel plasticky or anything like that. So you can really feel that human hair mix. All right, so let's try to part it on a different side. So I normally have my majority of my part on this side. So let's see. I always feel like with these, it's easier to part if I scoop this forward and then create the part. So let's see if that works. Let's see if I can do it like that. Again, I'm just I'm not exactly sure. I'm just giving it a try, a whirl if you will. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Kind of felt like when I first put it on, it wasn't parting the way that I wanted it to. Like I kept doing this weird bump up thing. But let's take a peek. This actually, oh, see, this looks pretty good, right? What do you guys think about this? Do you guys have any copper wigs? Copper styles? Do you have any of these sensational wigs by chance? I wanna know about it. Let me know. So there's on that side. I actually feel like that looks pretty good. What do you guys think? Okay, so let's try it on the other side because I like to give it a whirl. Actually, I don't feel like that's enough. Let's see if this is gonna go over. See what it kind of does this weird pop-up thing. It almost doesn't want to part. It almost doesn't want to part on, change the parting. And it says it's like easy parting anyway, but I'm not sure about this. It's just not laying. Okay, this is maybe better. Maybe I just need to just move the wig in the parting, just like I normally do with a straight lace. I just move the parting. So like this actually feels really good. Wow, what do you guys think about this? I really love it. It's just so natural looking. And of course, do use one of these little combs here if you do want to just make that part super perfect or not. I have not even attended to plucking or doing anything of that nature, just leaving it straight. And honestly, I do really like this. What do you guys think? Let me know. I would love to know if you have this style of wig, if maybe you have a sensational wig that you absolutely love. I want to know about it. So feel free, leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Reach out, and remember, life is short, wear a wig. So again, everything is from divatress.com. All the coupons are down below, and I really appreciate all you for coming by and liking, sharing, and subscribing. And we will see you soon.